Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. We're out in East Nashville these days, checking out some more of these issues dealing with housing in the area. This one may be just a little bit sad. I'm standing right here on the steps of the historic Hobson Methodist Episcopal Church. Its roots date back to the 1850s, and this massive structure is still here in all its glory. But my, how things have changed in this East Nashville neighborhood. This beautiful church is now becoming retail space. You look inside, you can see the old church pews are being torn apart. They'll be moved out. Hopefully they'll save some of the historic stained windows, which of course were laid here by some of the probably original members of this church. But right next to the church, $1 million townhomes. You guessed it, more $1 million real estate here in the city of Nashville. This is again off Greenwood Avenue in East Nashville, an up and coming trendy area. It's got little food, eateries are popping up, coffee shops, and then all these old historic places are either being taken down or they're being redeveloped, so to speak. So again, just another sign of the times that I thought you might enjoy seeing. If you're ever over in this part of the world here off Greenwood Avenue, you might check out what is, still it's the Hobson Methodist Episcopal Church. It's just not a church anymore. Soon it could be, I don't know, what, the next Starbucks? Who knows? And that kind of makes me a little bit sad. How about you? Hey, keep subscribing to our channel. That, of course, is Traveling with Jack and Pam. I also invite you to check out my podcast, Love Letters to Pam, the Jack Church Show. Until we do see you that next time, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And bye now from East Nashville.